Easy English, fruit vocab. Apple. Apple. Watermelon. Watermelon. Banana. Banana. Grapes. Grapes. Kiwi. Kiwi. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Mango. Mango. Papaya. Papaya. Orange. Orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is this? Apple or banana? Banana. What is this? Orange or kiwi? Kiwi. What is this? Papaya or watermelon? Papaya. What is this? Strawberry or grapes? Strawberry. What is this? Apple or dragon fruit? Dragon fruit. What is this? Papaya or orange? Orange. What is this? Kiwi or mango? Mango. What is this? Watermelon or strawberry? Watermelon. What is this? Grapes or banana? Grapes. What is this? Dragon fruit or apple? Apple.